Hello, my name is Angelia Johanna. Today I will be explaining or presenting an article. So, in the article, analysis of the influence and impact of social media on Gen Z literacy activities outdoor. Regi Ginanjar Jalila, Volume 1, Number 1, August 2025. Why I choose this article focus on social media's influence on Gen Z literacy relevant to changing reading and writing habits in the digital age connects to my personal interest in digital literacy. I choose this article because it directly relates to the reading and writing habits of Generation Z, a group that I personally relate to and study, especially within the context of digital media impact. Key learning points: social media support digital literacy and creativity. 60% of respondents prefer short content, leading to decreased social attention span and listen engagement in the reading and writing. Social media serves a dual role in formal education and disruption of traditional literacy. Okay, what I learned from in this article, the most important things I learned is that social media has a dual influence on Gen Z literacy activities. So, on one hand, platforms such as TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube help young people develop digital literacy skill and creativity, fostering informal learning and self-expression. On the other hand, the predominant consumption of short-form content seems to reduce deeper reading and writing skill, with around 60% of the respondents favoring brief contents, which possibly lowers their attention span and engagement in longer, coherent literacy practice. These findings show the complex role social media plays in shaping how Gen Z reads, writes, and learns. Additional thought and question: how can educational programs balance social media benefits and drawbacks? What is its impact, the decline in traditional literacy skills on academic and professional success? How do different social media platforms uniquely after reading and writing habits? Additional thought and question: while reading the article, I wonder about the balance between the benefit and drawback of social media literacy. How can educators and policymakers design programs that promote mindful and critical consumption of digital content without discouraging the creativity and accessibility the social media offers? Also, as question how much the decline in traditional literacy skill affect academic and professional performance among young people in this Indonesia worldwide. Furthermore, how do different social media platforms uniquely influence reading and writing habits, and why, by what strategies can we integrate social media into formal education without compromising traditional literacy? In conclusion, social media offers opportunities to challenges of for Gen Z literacy need for mindful digital literacy education and awareness collaboration among government, educators, and society is critical for responsible content consumption. The importance of promoting digital literacy and education while addressing the risks of social media habits that may erode deeper literacy skill, it nurtures combined effort between government, educators, and users to foster balance, mindful content consumption among Generation Z, and understanding this dynamic is crucial for anyone involved in education and literacy development in the digital age. Okay, thank you for listening to my presentation.